Hey guys, Gunner here, Off Leash K9 California. We've got ourselves a 6 to 7 month old, maybe 8 month old Doberman pincher named Rommel. And Rommel comes into our 2-week board and train. His sister's in our program right now. We like to bring them together so they overlap for about a week. We send them home. And Rommel is going to be tested, same as Lisa, which is his sister, for the K9 Good Citizen certification. And Rommel here is also, they're hoping to make him a therapy dog. So we're going to prep him for that, desensitize him to all the therapy type equipment. And we'll see what Rommel knows as far as obedience goes. So we'll take him on a little heel right now and see what he knows. He's a little more laid back than Lisa is. Rommel, heel. Rommel, heel. Heel. Rommel, heel. Rommel, heel. 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 Come, heel. Good. So no distractions at all out here, so he's not distracted by anything but smells and scents. Heel, heel, heel. Good, heel. Come on. Not too bad. Heel, heel. But I'm sure as soon as he sees a distraction or something just like his sister, he'll lunge and pull and maybe bark. Let's see what kind of obedience he knows. All right, Rommel, come. Rommel, come. Rommel, come. Come. Rommel, come. Come. Rommel, sit. Rommel, sit. 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 Good. Good. That's basic. Don't know if he sat because I told him or he just wanted to. Rommel, come. Rommel, down. Rommel, down. Rommel, down. Rommel, down. Down. All right, he wants to play. Good. Rommel, place. Rommel, place. Place. Okay. All right, so he's laid back. It wouldn't take long for the very basics, but we want a lot of stability in the dog. We want the dog to command, sit down, sit down, hold that command until we give it another command. Rommel, sit. 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 So before he sat because he wanted to sit, not because I'm telling him. Sit. Sit. You don't want to sit down. Good boy. All right, so 2 weeks, we'll make him amazing. Come on, Rommel. Let's start this. Heel. Heel. Good. Come on, Rommel. Heel. Good. Heel. Place. Place. Good. Good boy. Touch. Touch. Good touch. Touch. Boy. Touch. Good. Touch. Touch. Place. Good. Come. Heel. Heel. Come, Rommel, come. Come on, Rommel. Rommel, come. Rommel, come. Rommel, come. Come. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Rommel, come. Good boy. Come. Good boy, sit. Good boy, sit. Sit. Good boy. We go for a walk? Go.
Bro, you're awesome, dude.
Yep, come. Yep. Good job. Good job. Yep.
Good job.
Boy.
Work.
Sit. Rommel, sit. Good boy. Hey guys, a little bit of therapy work. We've been working on Rommel just to get desensitized to equipment. When you're in a nursing home, people come up with all this equipment, loud noises, things like that, come and pet the dog. We desensitized him to seeing that equipment and not getting startled from it all the time. Sometimes we drop it, sometimes we clang it, you know, that kind of thing. And in a therapy place, you can't have any correctional collar on the dog. You can only have his leash to correct him and keep him in case he does break his command or something like that when he's normal sitting or down. Okay? So Tammy's just going to come along with different equipment, and, you know, bang it and touch him with it and all that kind of thing. If he breaks his command, that's okay. I just correct him as long as he's calm. That's the key in therapy. The dog is calm and he adheres to your commands all the time. time. Good job, Rommel. Good job. And then if he gets up, just sit him back down. Sit. Rommel, sit. As he gets excited, strangers are walking around. He doesn't know Tammy that well. Good. Now you got crutches, you got walkers, you got wheelchairs, you know, those kind of things. He sees them coming, he wonders what it is when he's coming up to it. So he sensitizes to it. So he's just used to seeing that item. Good. Good job. Good Rommel. At the very end, we'll do a little bit of teaching them not to eat stuff out of the person's hand or stuff off the floor in case there's medication or something like that. You did the walker already on it? Okay. Alright, so food reviews, I kind of just trying to teach them to just do it and, out of a bowl only to eat. Okay? This is food that he's got on there. Good. If he does start to take it at times when it's new and fresh and smells good or whatever, we just say out. But most of the time he doesn't need that command. I should be able to take the food and just drop it in front of him like that. Usually when he sees the bowl, he'll want it. Good out. Good boy. Good out. Good boy. Sit. Good. If I take the same food and I put it in the bowl, good boy. It's the only time he's allowed to eat it. Good boy. Good job. Good job. So he's ate it, he smelt it, he tasted it. Good. Here you go. You can have it. Come on, you can have it. Yeah, you can have it. Usually he'll just gobble it up out of your hand. Good boy. Good job. Good boy. Good job, Rommel. Your last batch of food. Here you go. Come on, yeah. Come on.